Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Toyota Camry windshield wipers. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks in the raised position, then press the release tab on the connector and slide the old blade off. Inspect the hook for damage, align the new blade with the arm, and slide it into place until the connector clicks securely into position. Gather the tools and parts before starting to avoid delays and keep things safe. You only need new blades, an optional flathead screwdriver, and a cloth to protect the glass. Park on a level surface, turn off the ignition, and lift each wiper arm carefully. Remove each old blade one at a time, then attach the matching new blade until you hear a firm click, confirming a secure fit. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work under the hood. It's leak-resistant and easy to grab between steps. Check the description for the Owala link and other deals we recommend, and pick one up if you want a reliable bottle on the go. Now, let's get back to the video. Work one wiper at a time to keep the replacement process simple and safe. Press the connector tab on the old blade, slide it off, and discard or recycle it. Position the new blade so the adapter matches the arm hook, then push until you hear a click. Lower the arm slowly onto the windshield, then repeat for the other side, and test the wipers to ensure even pressure and clear sweeping motion across the glass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.